Today, we're exploring the most innovative woodworking tools designed to boost precision and efficiency. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will save time and enhance your craftsmanship. From measuring to cutting, each one ensures flawless results with ease. Stay until the end to discover a game-changing tool for your workshop. Woodpecker's Joinery Sled. First up, the Woodpecker's Joinery Sled, a true problem solver for woodworkers who are tired of spending valuable shop time building custom jigs for every new project. Its clever design tackles one of the biggest pain points in woodworking: setup. With its wide range of adjustments and versatile clamping options, this sled adapts easily to nearly any project, large or small, simple or complex. It keeps your joints square and can even shift to angles that standard jigs just can't handle. One standout feature is the incredibly smooth micro-adjustment mechanism that lets you dial in your cuts with surgical precision. No more trial and error. The patented leaf spring miter bar is another win. It fits snugly into any standard 0.37-inch by 0.75-inch miter slot without any hassle. But perhaps the biggest game changer? Its dual compatibility. This sled works effortlessly on both table saws and router tables, cutting down clutter and reducing setup time. For today's woodworker, efficiency matters as much as accuracy, and the Joinery Sled nails both. Whether you're a pro or a passionate hobbyist, this sled is more than just a tool. It's a complete solution that keeps your focus where it belongs, on the craftsmanship. Woodpecker's SF Pro Universal Router Table Fence. Next, the Woodpecker's SF Pro Universal Router Table Fence represents a big leap forward in accuracy and adaptability. Building on its already strong foundation, this latest version introduces two key innovations: full fence micro adjustment and a universal mounting system that works with almost any router table. These aren't minor improvements. They directly answer long-standing user requests. The third micro adjuster, which moves the entire fence, allows for incredibly precise alignment, appreciated by both pros and serious DIYers. With 1mm pitch screw feet adjustments and 0.001-inch dial graduations, you get pinpoint accuracy. And while they've added new features, Woodpeckers kept their trusted low-profile phenolic base and made the adjustment knobs easier to access. An upgraded dust port improves airflow and minimizes interference. Best of all, every adjustment is tool-free thanks to knurled knobs and ratcheting levers. It's smoother, faster, and more accurate. Possibly the best router table fence Woodpeckers has ever made. Woodpecker's Cutting Board Kits. Woodpecker's cutting board kits offer an easy way to craft high-quality boards, perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. Available in deluxe and small options, these kits eliminate the guesswork and save time by bundling everything you need into one neat package. The deluxe kit especially stands out. It includes the benchtop board mill XL, large and small templates, and specialized bits for juice grooves, finger grips, and bowl recesses. Everything's designed to help you achieve clean, professional results without buying extra tools. These kits are cost-effective too, grouping premium components like double-sided tape, bushings, and routing bits. For beginners, the small kit is a great starting point, simplified but still powerful enough to produce beautiful boards. Whether you're new to woodworking or refining your skills, these kits are a convenient and efficient path to polished results. Woodpecker's Mini Indexable System. Compact but mighty, the Woodpecker's Mini Indexable System brings accuracy and flexibility to layout and marking tasks. The laser-cut scribing guides, spaced at 1/16 inch or 1mm depending on your model, capture your pencil tip perfectly for ultra-precise parallel lines. The spring-loaded index pin locks the head at full-inch increments, making accurate starting points quick and easy. Add in the mini protractor with laser-engraved scales, and smooth adjustment and angle marking becomes effortless. It even includes a mini centering head to pinpoint the center of round or square stock, ideal for clean alignments. A unique square shoulder feature holds the head in place, so you don't need a third hand. Multiple blade and head options mean it adapts to your workflow. Whether you're pro or DIYer, this system delivers exceptional accuracy and versatility in a compact form. Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear Joinery Bits. For mortise and tenon work, the Ultra-Shear Variable Helix Joinery Bits are your go-to solution. Engineered for deep, clean cuts, these bits come in sizes made for furniture-grade joinery. Their extra-long cutting length handles through tenons with ease. What sets them apart is the variable helix design. A shallow spiral at the tip minimizes grabbing and chatter, while the steeper angle closer to the shank optimizes chip removal for a smooth, clean finish. These bits are especially effective in tools like the multi-router and panta-router. Designed for minimal vibration and outstanding dimensional accuracy, they're a high-performance choice for anyone building refined joinery. Woodpecker's folding saddle squares. When precision is key, especially in corner layouts, the folding saddle squares from Woodpeckers are invaluable. They wrap around corners with ease, allowing you to mark shoulder lines and cheek cuts with just 2 placements instead of 4, saving time and eliminating misalignment. Perfect for complex joints and angled layouts, these squares are available in 2 sizes and built for consistent accuracy. Post-CNC milling ensures the hinge stays perfectly in plane, removing lateral play while maintaining smooth foldability. You're not just getting a layout tool, you're getting a foldable precision edge, tailored for joinery excellence. Woodpecker's 3D setup blocks. Woodpecker's 3D setup blocks take the guesswork out of tool setups by offering 4 ways to measure a single dimension. Perfect for router table and saw adjustments, they feature a center cutout ideal for setting blade heights and a stepped shoulder for depth adjustments. The camel hump profile makes groove depth checks a breeze, and the corner reliefs make them fit tight spaces easily. These anodized precision-milled blocks even include bevel angles from 90 degrees to 30 degrees, helping with angle setup too. Compact, durable, and wall-mountable, these blocks are a smart replacement for a whole drawer of measuring tools. Woodpecker's router plane. Designed for the modern woodworker, the Woodpecker's router plane blends classic control with high-tech precision. Unlike traditional models, this one offers backlash-free thumbwheel adjustment, letting you set exact cut depths with confidence. 3 blade mounting positions and various orientations provide flexibility for even the trickiest grain directions or corners. Its ductile iron body, finished with black nitride, resists wear and glides smoothly. Blades come lapped and ready to use, and the ergonomic design allows for steady control. Custom fences can be added too. From cleaning dado bottoms to refining joints, this plane gives you pro-level performance in a classic form. Woodpecker's micro squares. When working on small-scale projects, the Woodpecker's micro squares shine. Compact enough for your apron pocket, they offer the same rock-solid precision as full-size squares. The micro combination and micro double square are ideal for checking 90-degree and 45-degree angles, marking joinery or machine setup in tight spots. Swapping between the half-inch and quarter-inch blades makes them even more versatile. Made from stainless steel with brass knobs, these tools feel solid, and the wall-mounted rack keeps them organized. In short, they're small tools with big capability, perfect for detail-focused craftspeople. Woodpecker's 6-in-1 shop gauge. Finally, the Woodpecker's 6-in-1 shop gauge is a multifunctional measuring marvel. It sets blade heights, rotor bit depths, finds center points, and more, all with rock-solid accuracy. Its gear rack mechanism locks in settings at 1/32 inch or 1 mm increments, removing guesswork and boosting efficiency. You can also flip between imperial and metric just by turning the racks. With extended range, it handles large setups and tight adjustments equally well. Features like the V-block for drill collars and a built-in marking notch round out its practicality. For those who value accuracy, versatility, and smart design, this gauge is an essential shop companion. And that's a wrap on these 10 incredible Woodpeckers tools for woodworking. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time!